Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can switch from analog to digital speedometer on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go to settings on this screen right here. In order to be able to do that, just go ahead and here on the left side of your steering wheel, you're gonna find these arrow buttons in order to be able to navigate. So just use them to navigate to the settings. I'm going to give you guys a closer look like this. So look for the settings icon, and then once you're here in the settings, all you need to do, guys, is go down using the arrows again, and then here the latest option is gonna be the option we're looking for. Go ahead and click on OK on the buttons that you have, and then here you're gonna find language, measurements, and the third option is the one we're looking for. Give it a click, and then here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find analog and digital. So if you want to switch to digital, just go down with using the arrows and click on OK. And as you can see, guys, right now we switched to the digital speedometer. If you want to undo it, just go back and then click on analog, and it's simple as this. See you guys in the next video.